Nature shapes everything we create. At Harbour Lifestyle, we study the seasons, their rhythm, their force, their beauty. Introducing the Pergolas Deluxe Pergola. With our deluxe pergolas, we didn't just create a pergola, we created a smarter way to connect with nature, to bring the outdoors in. With the all-new Pergolas Deluxe control system, you can seamlessly integrate smart devices and create the perfect environment. Strong aerospace-grade aluminium, powder-coated for resilience, marine-grade fixtures crafted with precision, enhanced stability, a smoother motor system and full technical control, a structure built to endure, nature and technology in perfect harmony. Harbour Lifestyle's Pergolas Deluxe, born of the elements, perfected in design.